Hello guys, good morning and happy Monday to everyone. And today I'm gonna make a quick chicken dish, and let me show you my ingredients. And I didn't have any recipe for this. This is just my own version. Okay, so let me show you my ingredients. Ingredients. Okay, I have here, this is my garlic, I have a tomato, I have a potato I cut into small chunks, and I have one carrot, and I have onion, and this is cabbage, and this is I cut this and marinated my chicken pieces. I'm using breast chicken, so I put here lemon, salt, and soy sauce. And of course, I'm gonna use some oyster sauce, and I'm gonna use some tomato paste. Start cooking our chicken, and we have put oil here. So I'm using olive oil. Or any oil what you have, but I'm using olive oil actually. But if I do deep frying, I'm using another oil. The canola oil I'm using. But if cooking like this, then just if I'm doing normal cooking, so I'm using olive oil. So now this is done. So first we have to put our garlic. Actually, my daughter is on break. Actually, she's having online class now, first day. And now she's on break, so I have to cook this quickly before she'll go back to class. So just have to cook this for a few seconds. And followed by onion. Put our onion. And just saute our onion until it gets translucent. Isabella's here. Who's this monkey here? So now we have to put our marinated chicken pieces. And they just saute our meat like for about 2 minutes until it changed the color. And then we add our vegetables. What's this? Now it's time to put our tomato. Because breast actually doesn't take time to cook, and then aside from that we have also to cook our vegetables, so it will cook all together. So now it's time to put our tomato. And just saute for a few seconds. This is okay. And now we put our vegetables, the potato and the carrots. Then just mix it up, mix it nicely. And then we have to put some oyster sauce. I don't have to add, once I use oyster sauce, I don't add salt, because anyway when I marinate the chicken I already added salt in it, so I don't want to put so much salt. Again, I have to put tomato paste. I will put tomato paste because I have this in the fridge actually, but then it's almost expiring actually. So I have to use this. I don't want to waste. So I just have to give a good mix. And then we can add our cabbage. And just leave it open for like 3 to 4 minutes. Just leave it open. So guys, I get dirty because it spilled on my clothes. So I just have to wash it so it doesn't stain. So now, this is just like a dry vegetables actually. I'm gonna put little of sugar because sugar really enhances the flavor, and also it will neutralize the acidity from the tomato paste. So that's the reason for that sugar. So I'm gonna sprinkle some sugar, not too much because I don't want my dish to become like sweet, because this is not a dessert. So I just have to sprinkle some sugar. That's enough. And then now we start to cover this until the vegetables gets cooked and the chicken. So even if without water, even if I did not put water, it still leaves water because of the cabbage. Cabbage leaves water actually. So okay, anyway, and we just have to close this one. It's looking delicious and colorful as well. So now we just have to close this, and we have to check in between until our vegetables and chicken gets cooked. So now guys, let's check. See, this is my simple chicken dish and very healthy with loaded of vegetables. So first, for me this is already cooked. My potato is already soft. So this is perfect. So now we have to taste. Switch off this. This is perfect. I don't want so much salty of my dish. So this is okay now. Let's cook. Really nice. And now we transfer this in a bowl. So me and Isabella will have this for rice, with rice. So this is like maybe today's food. There's quite a lot actually. And I don't know if my husband will eat this. Actually, my husband eats, but I will make fish curry and fish biryani for him today, later in the day. So, anyway, so this is how my chicken dish looks like, and I don't have the actually recipe for this. It's just my version of chicken dish. So guys, this is the recipe that I could able to share with you, and this is very easy, and you can always use whatever leftover vegetables you have in the fridge. Not necessarily you can put potato or carrots. You can also have some, you know, like beans or baby corn or other or even maybe you can add some eggplant in it. So because I've tried before just make vegetables, it was also nice. Anyway, that's all for today, and I hope to see you to our next one.